This in this exam I have put the questions and question tags. So we will discuss about question and question tags. You have learned before the following verbs called auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs का मैंने वीडियो भेजा था. जैसे बी का am, is, was होता है. Have, do, can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought. They play an important role. They play an important role in formation of questions. Negative question tags. The auxiliaries can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought are called modal auxiliaries. So children, modal auxiliaries concept should be clear with you because I have already sent you the video. The verbs need and dare sometimes behave like modal auxiliaries. There are two kinds of questions in English, yes or no question and WH question. Yes or no questions which can be answered with yes or no, and WH questions in that who, which, what, when, where, how, why, whom, whose, these words will come. See for example, yes or no question, it is raining. Is it raining? They have left. Have they left? He can do it. Can he do it? She was busy. Was she busy? You will be meeting. Will you be meeting him? Will you be meeting him today? Like that. In the simple present tense, he writes, and simple past tense, he wrote. We use do, does, did. Do we use for plural in the simple present tense, and does we use for singular in the simple present tense, and did for the past tense. Did the dog bit him? Did the dog bite him? Like that. Do, does, did is followed by the base form of verbs like go, write, sing. We cannot say does he act in film? Did the dog bit? Did you return the pen? In WH questions, first auxiliary or non-auxiliary, that is, am, are, was, were are non-auxiliary verbs. See children, you have to pay attention when I am teaching in the video that non-auxiliary verbs are is, am, are, was, were. And WH question, two first auxiliary or non-auxiliary usually comes before the subject. In simple present and simple past, we use do, does, did. He has gone. Where? Where has he gone? She was late. Why was she late? CD broke. How did the CD broke? She goes to cinema. How often does she go to cinema? They have been waiting. How long have they been waiting? If the subject who, which, what, whose are what, which, whose plus noun, the verb is put after the subject as in the statement. Somebody hurt Gopal. Who hurt Gopal? Something is worrying her. What is worrying her? This answer is right. This answer is right. Which answer is right? Somebody's dog is lying. Whose dog is lying at the gate? Compare the first sentence above with the following. Gopal hurt somebody. Who did Gopal hurt? In this question, who is the object? Here is an example where what is the object? She said something. What did she say? Who is laughing at Ramesh? Who is Ramesh laughing at? Ramesh is laughing at somebody. Somebody is laughing at Ramesh. You must have noticed that the questions on the right ends with a preposition. In the question beginning, who, what, which, where comes to the end. Who were you talking to? To is preposition. What are you worrying about? About is preposition. Which hospital he is in? In is preposition. Where do you come from? So they are telling you that prepositions in questions beginning with WH questions come at the end. Is it clear? This all is all for your vocabulary. So now come to the next page. This page, basic rules is use no when you agree with a negative question, use yes when you disagree with a negative question. Basic use of question is to ask for information. What does the film start? What time does the film start? 6:30. But we can use questions in other ways, such as making request. Will you lend me your pen? Shall we take a taxi? Can I help you? May I use the phone? So that all offering, permission, like that. We use negative sentence to show surprise or disappointment. Haven't you finished it? अभी तक नहीं हुआ क्या? ऐसे. Hasn't she come? आई नहीं क्या अभी तक? ऐसे. तो अभी yes or no क्वेश्चन को ऐसे बनाना है. The children are asleep. Are the children asleep? Page number 59. Children, you have to do it. They have gone home. Have they gone home? ठीक है, एक दो बताती हूँ, बाकी आपको करना पड़ेगा. रहीम इज प्लेइंग टेनिस. इज रहीम प्लेइंग टेनिस? एंड्स विथ अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, यू हैव टू डू ऑल दैट. दिस विल हेल्प यू इन योर क्वेश्चन टैग्स. क्वेश्चन टैग में ये बहुत मदद होगा इसकी. उसके बाद question tags. Okay, now come to page 60. Whose cycle have you borrowed? Some of the sentences are correct and others are wrong. Whose cycle have you borrowed? It's correct. Whose cycle have you borrowed? Why you threw it away? Why did you throw it away? Did आना चाहिए उसमें. When you will take up your new post? It is correct. When did you bought this camera? When did you buy this camera? Haven't you returned to Ramesh? It's correct. Does your sister goes to school? Does your sister go to school? When you are going on holiday, how you like your coffee? How do you like your coffee? Strong or weak? What time did you arrive in Delhi? What time did you arrive at Delhi? Why she hasn't taken anything? It's correct. So इस तरीके से अगर करेक्ट है तो वही स्टेटमेंट लिखिए, अगर रॉन्ग है तो वो स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट करके लिखिए. पेज नंबर 60. नाउ ये पेज नंबर 61 भी करने की कोशिश करिए. एक दो एग्जाम्पल बताए उन्होंने. नाउ वी विल मूव टू क्वेश्चन टैग्स. इट इज़ फ्राइडे टुडे, इजंट इट? आपको क्वेश्चन टैग 8th लेसन में है बच्चों, तो आपको मैंने कैसे किया है ये बताने के लिए आपको पहले क्वेश्चन टैग का वीडियो भेज रही हूँ. इट इज़ फ्राइडे टुडे, इजंट इट? मोहन हैज़ गॉन, हैजंट ही? मैरी कैन ड्राइव, कांट शी? यू ईट फिश, डोंट यू? मिस्टर सिंह नोज फ्रेंच, डजंट ही? दे लेफ्ट yesterday, didn't they? She won't listen. देखो won't आया तो ये नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन में ही आ गया. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, अगर नेगेटिविटी क्वेश्चन में है तो आंसर क्वेश्चन टैग के आंसर में नेगेटिव नहीं आएगा. She won't listen to you, will she? Abdul hasn't been there before, has he? तो क्वेश्चन टैग में अंट नहीं आएगा. जैसे कि इसका एक फॉर्मूला है, नीचे देखिए फॉर्मूला लिखा हुआ है. एक्सुलरी प्लस अंट प्लस प्रोनाउन आफ्टर अ पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट. एक्सुलरी प्लस प्रोनाउन आफ्टर अ नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट. ये आपको, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रूल्स है बच्चों, ये आपको बहुत ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा. और इस रूल के हिसाब से ही आपको क्वेश्चन टैग फ्रेम करना पड़ेगा. और क्वेश्चन टैग एग्जाम में आएगा ये समझ के क्वेश्चन टैग को अच्छे से बनाइए. कुछ क्वेश्चन टैग जैसे देखो, आई एम को अरंट आय आता है, आई एम को अरंट आय आता है, और सजेशन जो है उसको शैल वी, जैसे लेट्स टेक अ टैक्सी, शैल वी, उसका शैल वी आएगा। जैसे ऑर्डर है, वेट अ मिनट, कैन यू, तो कैन कुड वो अप्लाई कर देना चाहिए इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस में। क्लोज द डोर, कुड यू, समझ में आया? कैन का पास्ट टेंस कुड। आफ्टर डोंट द टैग इज विल यू, अगर डोंट है क्वेश्चन में तो क्वेश्चन टैग विल यू आएगा। ये आपको बहुत ध्यान में रखना है बच्चों। ये सब कुछ क्या है, एक्सेप्शन है, म्हणजे कुछ कुछ रूल्स आपको फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे। जैसे एम आई आया तो अरंट आया आता, डोंट आया तो विल यू आता, देर इज आर वॉज वर वी यूज देयर इन द टैग, देर इज अ चर्च एट द क्रॉस रोड, इजंट देयर, देर आर सम पीपल आउटसाइड, अरंट दे, अरंट देयर, ऐसे। अभी मैं आपको क्वेश्चन टैग का एक दो जो है वो करके बताती हूँ। इट इज़ वेरी हॉट, इजंट इट, आनंद हैज़ पास द एग्ज़ाम, हैजंट ही, यू डोंट नो हिज एड्रेस, डू यू, डोंट नो का क्या आएगा, डू यू आएगा कि विल यू आएगा? डू यू इज रॉन्ग, डोंट नो का क्या बोला है उन्होंने, विल यू। पर इधर कैसे है, डोंट द टैग इज विल यू, इधर डू यू आएगा, डोंट नो है ना, तो इसलिए डू यू, डोंट नेगेटिविटी हट जाएंगी। ही प्लेड फॉर पाकिस्तान, तो क्या आएगा, ही प्लेड फॉर पाकिस्तान। डिड ही, प्लेड क्योंकि पास्ट टेंस है तो पास्ट टेंस में डिड आएगा। डिडंट ही, यू हैव गॉट अ कैमरा, haven't you, there is someone at the gate, there is someone at the gate, तो क्या लिखोगे, isn't there, there is आया तो isn't there, you won't let anybody else, will you, let's see the exhibition, shall we, let's आया तो shall we, I am right, aren't I। तो इतने हार्ड वाले मैंने आपको बता दिए हैं। अब आपका काम है 64 पेज को होमवर्क करना है आपको दोस्तों, 64 पेज को कंप्लीट करना है, तो कंप्लीट करके रखिए। टिल देन हैव अ गुड टाइम।